Hey, what's up, Dana? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thank you for speaking to me earlier today, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you how to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers through it for free. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these, that's a cool picture. I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back and having me do this stuff for them. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and I can do some good for your business, give me a call, we can chat. If you want to take this information and apply it yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm going to show you how, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So let's start by looking at your website. This photo is awesome. Man, I want to get back to it. I don't know how to get back to that photo. That was great. I don't know if you have an effect on it or what. That's a really cool photo. I think that should be the first photo that pops up. This is the first photo that pops up, and that one should be. That's a great looking photo. But besides that, that's not what I'm talking about today. That's just my own stupid opinion. Your website's a good looking website. It's really clean. You've got, pictures here. You've got a rotating gallery. Like, as far as when someone gets to your site, it's going to be easy to close them because they see that you guys are professional. Now, unfortunately, Google doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they do is if somebody types in air conditioning repair Austin TX, their goal is to put that customer in front of the website that's going to answer all their questions, which is typically the website that has the most words on it. So you're going to want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your front page for Google to consider you authority, and it looks like you currently have like 300 words on it. If you look at your main competitor, you have Precision Heat and AC. You can see how dense they are with words. They probably have over 1,000 to 1,200 words on this page. They might even be at the 1,500 word mark, which means you want to get yourself up to about 2,000 words on your page is what I'd recommend. Okay. Also, whatever your images are saved as does count as content. So if let's see, like this image right here, this should be saved as like air conditioning repair Austin TX. That would be a good way to get yourself ranked for that keyword. So that's tip one. After that, you're going to want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off of how many other websites are linking to you, but they want to see relevant links. So you get a lot more power from other air conditioning companies or refrigeration companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. And so the tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of the websites. It says you guys have 21 websites linking to you and you have 12 organic traffic. Nothing to scoff at. You're miles ahead of many HVAC companies and refrigeration companies. So many don't even have a website, let alone links. But if you want to beat Precision, these guys have 300 websites linking to them. So what I would do is I'd copy them and I'd get yourself up to a total of about 320. All these websites they have linking to them, you just go to them, you either click the contact us button or you create an account and get those links back to your page. If you beat them with content and you beat them in backlinks, you end up taking their organic ranking, which means you take their organic traffic. These guys have 1.3 thousand people looking at their website every month. You can imagine how much money you could make having that many people looking at your website every month. And people don't look up air conditioning for fun. They look it up when they need help, right? Last thing, air conditioning repair Austin TX. When somebody looks that up and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first HVAC tech that shows up. You want to be that tech because they're the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time, so you want to rank yourself in the Google My Business or local map hack section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all the most common ones. The best strategy here, figure out what directories these guys are listed in, list yourself in those exact same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. So like, if Austin AC Repair and Heating is listed in 150 directories, put yourself in 250. That's all I've got for you, Dana. I hope you found this really informative. As a really quick recap, you're going to want to get your website up to about 1,500 words at the minimum, if not 2,000. You're going to want to have more than 300 websites linking to you, and you're going to want to have your name, address, and phone number in more directories than competitors. If you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm here to help as many homeowners or business owners as I can. Just send me back some feedback and let me know if you thought this was valuable information. And if you do want me to take care of this stuff for you, you can always give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.